Welcome back to the online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today we are going to start with a very fresh chapter, that is multiplication and division of fractions. I know most of you have already gone through this chapter and you have gone through this chapter in class 6th. So let us revise it. What is fraction? Fraction means a part of a whole. It means a part of a whole. How can you express it a part of a whole? Suppose it is a earth, and most of you know that 3/4 of the earth is water. So if I have to show 3/4 with the help of a diagram, I am going to shade this portion as it is water. So this shaded portion represent 3 and the whole part is 4. So 3/4 of the earth is water. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Let us come to the first topic, that is multiplication of fraction. In that, the very fresh topic is fractions multiplied by a whole number. Most of you know what is a whole number. So when a fraction is being multiplied by a whole number, how the process of multiplication can be done? Let us see with the help of an example. Multiply 5/6 by 4. This by over here represents multiplication. So 5/6, in place of this by, I am going to put the sign of a multiplication into 4. If it can be simplified, we are going to simplify it. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now the answer will be 5 into 2 is equal to 10/3. Let us come to another topic, that is fraction as an operator. What is the meaning of an operator? Suppose if I am writing 3/4 by 6. Over here this by is being expressed as an operator. Means if we are going to remove this by sign and I am going to put the multiplication sign, this expressed as an operator. So when a proper fraction operates on a quantity, what is a proper fraction? Numerator is less than denominator. The outcome is less than the final quantity. Let us see with the help of an example. 2/3 of 18 pence. Over here of or by is an operator. So 2/3 into, in place of I am going to place the sign of multiplication into 18. 3 6 are 18. So 6 2s are 12. Over here you can see that when a proper fraction operates on a quantity, the outcome is less than the original quantity. The original quantity is 18, but the final quantity is 12. It is less than the original quantity. When a proper fraction, what is a proper fraction? Numerator is less than denominator. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Let us come to another topic, that is when an improper of mixed fraction. What is improper? When numerator is greater than denominator. And what is mixed fraction? A fraction which has a whole part as well as a fractional part. Operates on a quantity, the outcome is greater than the original quantity. Let us see with the help of an example. This is a improper fraction where numerator is greater than denominator. So 3/2 of rupees 80 is equal to, in place of I am going to place the sign of multiplication. So 3/2 into 80 is equal to 2 1s are 2 40s are rupees 120. Over here the final quantity is 120, which is greater than the original quantity. This is an example of an improper fraction. Now let us take an example of a mixed fraction. 1/4. 1 is a whole part and 1/4 is a fractional part of 60 kg of wheat. So first of all we are going to convert it into improper fraction. 4 ones are 4 and 1 5. So 5 upon 4, in place of I am going to place a sign of multiplication into 60. 4 15s are 60. So 15 into 5 is equal to 75 kg. Over here the final quantity is greater than the original quantity. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us come to another topic, that is fractions multiplied by a fraction. When two fractions are multiplied, how we are going to multiply it? Over here I have taken an example, multiply 5 upon 30 into 25 upon 10. In place of multiplication, it can be written as by also, by as an operator. So simply you are going to multiply it. So 5 upon 30 into 25 upon 10. If it can be simplified, you have to simplify it first and then only you will get the answer. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are. So what will be the answer? 5 upon 6 twos are 12. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let us come to the last point, that is multiplication of mixed numbers. Now how we are going to multiply a mixed number? Mixed number means a fraction with a whole part as well as a fractional part. So first of all we are going to convert that mixed fraction or mixed number into improper fraction. Let us take an example. 4 2 by 3 multiplied by 9 upon 7. Over here it is a mixed fraction. So 3 4s are 12 and 2 14 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 7. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So what is the answer? 6. I hope all the topics that I have explained to you is very much clear to you. Next time when we are going to meet, I will start with a very fresh topic. Till then, be safe. Goodbye.